Strategies for generating quality leads. Lead generation is an essential part of any business, as it enables businesses to reach out to potential customers who have shown an interest in their products or services. However, not all leads are created equal. Quality leads are those who are more likely to convert into paying customers. Generating quality leads is crucial for any business looking to grow and succeed in the long run. In this video, we will discuss effective strategies for generating quality leads that can help businesses attract the right audience and increase conversions. Understanding lead generation. Understanding what a lead is and why it matters is fundamental to successful lead generation. A lead is not just a random individual who happens to stumble across your website or social media page. It's someone who has shown a genuine interest in your product or service, and has taken a specific action to indicate that interest. This could be as simple as filling out a contact form, subscribing to your email newsletter, or downloading an e-book. Quality leads are those who are more likely to convert into paying customers. They are the ones who fit your target audience, and have a genuine interest in your offering. When businesses focus on generating quality leads, they can improve their conversion rates and generate a better return on investment. This means that businesses can spend less on lead generation, while still achieving the desired results. In addition, quality leads are more likely to become loyal customers, who will continue to do business with the company in the long term, and even recommend it to others. Focusing on quantity over quality when it comes to lead generation is a common mistake that businesses make. While generating a large number of leads may seem impressive, if those leads are not genuinely interested in your offering, they are unlikely to convert into paying customers. This can lead to wasted resources, as businesses spend time and money on lead generation activities that do not produce the desired results. Creating valuable content. Creating valuable content is a powerful way to attract quality leads and establish your business as a trusted authority in your industry. The key is to create content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. By doing so, you can build trust and credibility with potential customers, which can lead to increased conversions and revenue. One of the most common types of content used for lead generation is blog posts. Blog posts can be used to address common pain points or questions that your target audience may have, and provide them with valuable solutions or insights. By providing value through your blog posts, you can attract potential customers who are looking for answers or solutions in your industry. E-books are another effective content format for lead generation. E-books allow you to dive deeper into a specific topic, providing your target audience with a more comprehensive resource that can help them solve a particular problem or learn something new. By offering e-books as a lead magnet, you can attract potential customers who are interested in your content, and who may be more likely to convert into paying customers. Webinars are another popular type of content that can be used for lead generation. Webinars allow you to provide valuable information in a live setting, while also allowing you to interact with your target audience and answer their questions. By hosting webinars, you can establish yourself as an authority in your industry, and build relationships with potential customers who are interested in your offerings. Case studies are another effective content format for lead generation. Case studies allow you to showcase your expertise by highlighting the success stories of your customers. By doing so, you can provide social proof that your product or service is effective, and can help potential customers see the value of working with your business. Leveraging social media. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses to reach a wider audience and generate quality leads. With billions of active users on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, social media offers businesses an opportunity to promote their products or services to a vast and diverse audience. However, to leverage the power of social media for lead generation, it's important to have a clear strategy in place. A social media strategy should be tailored to your target audience, and should include a mix of organic and paid tactics to drive engagement and conversions. One effective way to use social media for lead generation is to promote your content. By sharing your blog posts, e-books, webinars, and other valuable content on social media, you can attract potential customers who are interested in your offerings. Make sure your content is engaging and relevant to your target audience, and use eye-catching visuals and headlines to capture their attention. Another way to use social media for lead generation is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages, ask questions, and encourage conversation. By building relationships with potential customers, you can establish trust and credibility, and increase the likelihood that they will become paying customers. Paid advertising is another effective way to use social media for lead generation. Social media platforms offer a variety of advertising options, including sponsored posts, targeted ads, and retargeting campaigns. By targeting your ads to specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, you can reach potential customers who are more likely to convert into paying customers. Optimizing your website and landing pages. Your website and landing pages are essential components of your lead generation strategy. They are often the first point of contact that potential customers have with your business, and can make a significant impact on their decision to become a lead. To optimize your website for lead generation, it's important to have clear calls to action, CTAs, that tell visitors what action you want them to take. CTAs should be prominently displayed on your website, and should be easy to find and understand. Examples of CTAs include, sign up for our newsletter, download our ebook, or request a free consultation. In addition to CTAs, it's important to have easy-to-use forms that capture visitor information. Forms should be short and easy to complete, and should ask for only the most essential information. Too many fields can be overwhelming and may discourage visitors from completing the form. Persuasive copy that highlights the benefits of your product or service is also crucial for optimizing your website for lead generation. Your copy should focus on the needs and pain points of your target audience, and should clearly articulate how your product or service can help solve their problems or meet their needs. Landing pages are another important component of your lead generation strategy. Landing pages should be designed to convert visitors into leads by providing relevant information and a compelling offer. The offer could be a free trial, a discount, or a downloadable resource. The key is to offer something of value in exchange for the visitor's contact information. Utilizing email marketing. Email marketing is an effective way to nurture leads and drive conversions. You can build and segment your email list based on your target audience and send personalized messages that speak to their interests and pain points. By doing so, you establish a relationship with your leads and keep them engaged with your brand. Email marketing can take many forms, including newsletters, promotional offers, and follow-up messages. The key is to provide value to your audience and keep them engaged with your brand. Collaborating with influencers and partners. Partnering with influencers and other businesses can help you reach new audiences and attract quality leads. Influencers are individuals who have a large following on social media and can influence the purchasing decisions of their followers. By collaborating with influencers, you can leverage their reach and credibility to promote your products or services to a wider audience. You can also partner with other businesses to create joint promotions or events that showcase your products or services to a new audience. The key is to choose the right influencers or partners who align with your brand and have a genuine interest in your offering. Tracking and analyzing your lead generation efforts. Finally, it's crucial to track and analyze your lead generation strategies to measure their effectiveness. By doing so, you can make data-driven decisions and adjust your strategies accordingly. There are many tools and metrics that you can use to track your lead generation efforts. Google Analytics is a popular tool that can help you track website traffic and user behavior. A/B testing is another effective method for testing different strategies and measuring their effectiveness. You can also track conversion rates to see how many leads are converting into paying customers. By tracking and analyzing your lead generation efforts, you can identify what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Conclusion: generating quality leads is essential for business growth and success. By implementing the strategies discussed in this video, businesses can attract and convert leads with higher conversion rates and better ROI. From creating valuable content to leveraging social media, optimizing your website and landing pages, utilizing email marketing, collaborating with influencers and partners, and tracking and analyzing your efforts, there are many effective strategies that businesses can use to generate quality leads. We encourage you to try these strategies in your own business and share your experiences or questions in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on business growth and digital marketing. Thanks for watching.